everyone, my name is Jubia. I'm a freshman at Kungu University. Today I'm going to talk about a wonderful adventure. There are 3 parts to my presentation. First, I will introduce you to my adventure set. Then I will tell you about my adventure process. Finally, I will summarize the harvest and feeling after this adventure. The presentation will last 3 minutes. My adventure set is called Yalu Jumbo Great Canyon. It's located in Tibet, China. It's the largest and the best canyon in the world. It's also an adventure resort. Now I would like to expand on my adventure process. We set out with a group of adventure friends. Walking into the canyon, I can see the fast-flowing river, then need to cross the suspension bridge above the river to continue walking. The river flows very fast, so it's very dangerous. Walking across the bridge, we saw a tropical rainforest. In here, we see many rare plants, and we see many rare animals. After coming out of the rainforest, we see a beautiful sea of flowers. Here is very beautiful. The air at the top of the mountain is very fresh, and the spectacular canyon waterfalls are shocking. In the evening, we choose to cabin in the safe and flat place. Watch the beautiful starry sky, ending a wonderful and exciting day. Finally, let me summarize my harvest and feeling this time. This adventure made me feel the wonder and beauty of nature. The adventure was thrilling and exciting for me, and it's also a test of courage. Now I'm going to conclude my presentation to summarize the main parts again. This is very interesting and exciting adventure, but it would also be dangerous. If you also like to adventure, I recommend you try the Grand Canyon adventure. Thank you for listening.